All right, another up close and personal video. We got a good treat today. Today is the Zippo Slim 65th anniversary. All right. And the design on it is laser etched. Well, I've been wanting to see this up close for a while. Sharp lines, oh, look at that design. Oh, I've been wondering what this one looks like up close. Really bad. Ooh, those tiny little lines interlaced. It look pretty. Oh, it looks real pretty. Man, look at that. Little Christmas trees in there. Times Square Christmas trees.
Look how even that cap is too.
Yeah. Like I said, I've been wanting to see this one up close for a while because I was wondering how they did the design exactly, and you can definitely tell it's laser engraved.
They've got the top arch with the top of the lighting.
Yep, they got it arched with the top, you're right. Huh. I didn't notice that before. Yeah, this one's short but sweet, but man. And with that black ice, high polished finish, it's amazing. All right, short but sweet. Thank you, everybody.